Akala ko noon, ang love ay tungkol sa pagiging magkasama palagi. Pero dahil sa sea-based LDR, iba pala ang tinuro sa akin ng pagmamahal. After years of being in a sea-based LDR, I realized that love isn't just about being together every day. Love is choosing each other kahit mahirap ang sitwasyon. Love is celebrating every little conversation. Love is supporting each other's dream kahit magkalayo kayo. And love is believing that distance has a purpose. Hindi naging madali yung journey namin, pero kung may isang bagay akong pinagpapasalamat, yun yung experience made us appreciate each other even more. Hindi man kami magkasama everyday pero alam naming pareho kaming lumalaban sa future na sabay naming pinangarap. Distance can test a relationship, but it can also strengthen it when two people choose each other every day.